If you want to create an autonomous sensory meridian response video, also known as ASMR video, like the one you just saw, using AI, then follow my lead. I used Google Gemini's Vevo 3 to create this video. I have an account with Envato Elements, and their AI video generation is powered with Vevo 3, so that's where I went to create this video. Once you are logged in, access all the AI generation tools at the top banner, from among which you should select Video Gen. Then make sure to click the Audio On button. This is very important because this will ensure that the video you create will have audio included. Then simply enter this prompt. A hyperreal chunk of charcoal on a chopping board. Knife cuts through it and reveals lava. Close up. Sounds of charcoal crunching and wood burning. Then click Generate. If you want to access Vevo 3 using Envato Elements, then you can access it through the link I have posted in the description. Envato Elements is a popular subscription service that provides unlimited access to a vast library of digital assets for creative projects. Think of it as an all-you-can-eat buffet for designers, video editors, marketers, and anyone needing high-quality digital content. There you have it. The final product. See how easy it is to create an AI-generated ASMR video. Let me know if you tried already and what you think about it in the comments below. I will see you in another video.